Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Artika Nadiastuti. You can call me Artika. I am from PPI 2B. I will review book novel. Uh, the title book is Reminder of Him, a novel Colin Hoover. Discover. The color cover is blue. Color cover is blue. Page 1, title, Reminder of Him. Page 2, other title, Colin Hoover. Page 3, Reminder of Him, a novel, Colin Hoover. Page 4, this work of fiction. Uh, Page 5, content, chapter 1 to chapter 42. Next, epilogue, Kenna playlist acknowledgement about the author. Chapter 1 to chapter 42, Kenna. The end. Next, epilogue, Kenna playlist acknowledgement about the author. Prophet. The synopsis in the novel Reminder of Him. After serving 5 years in prison for a tragic mistake, Kenna Rowan returned to the town where it went wrong, hoping to return with her 4-year-old daughter, but the precious Kenna Burnett are proving impossible to rebuild. Everyone in her daughter life is determined to shut Kenna out, no matter how hard she worked to prove herself. The only person who has not closed in the door on her completely is Lightkeeper, a local bar owner and one of the few remaining to Kenna Doctor. But if anyone were to discover how Lightkeeper is slowly becoming an important part of Kenna life, both will risk losing the trust of everyone important to them. The two form a connection despite the pressure surrounding them, but as their romance grows, so does the risk. Kenna must find a way to absolve the mistake of her past in order to build a future out of hope and healing. The novel Reminder of Him yaitu berkisah seseorang Kenna Rowan, seorang ibu muda, baru saja keluar dari penjara setelah menjalani hukuman 5 tahun karena kesalahan tragis di masa lalu. Kenna kembali ke kota tempat tinggalnya dengan harapan dapat memperbaiki hubungannya dengan putrinya yang berusia 4 tahun. Namun, semua orang di kehidupan putrinya bertekad untuk menutup pintu bagi Kenna, tidak peduli seberapa keras dia berusaha untuk membuktikan dirinya. Satu-satunya orang yang belum sepenuhnya menutup pintu baginya adalah Lightkeeper, pemilik bar lokal dan salah satu dari sedikit hubungan yang tersisa dengan putri Kenna. Kenna dan Lightkeeper mulai membentuk hubungan meski ada tekanan dari lingkungan sekitar mereka, seiring tumbuhnya romansa mereka dan resikonya. Week 6, I'm reading chapter 1, the content chapter 1. On her way back in the town in a cab, she has the driver go out to the spot where the accident occurred. There she finds a small wooden wayside cross, which she believes Scotty's parents have placed there. She pulls up the cross because she believes Scotty will have had it. She heads in the town and finds the low-income apartment housing, the only place she can afford. She has returned for one purpose, to return with her 4-year-old daughter. Damn. She didn't know until after the accident that she was pregnant, and she signed over parental rights to Scotty parents. She's unsure how to proceed, but she is determined to meet the doctor she only finds in the prison delivery room. Her apartment is depressing, barely furnished and tiny. In a gesture of friendship, the lately wrote gift Kenna with a kitten to keep her company despite Kenna's protestation she is not interested in a pet. My opinion after reading chapter 1 Kenna, I feel moved by Kenna's struggle to rebuild her life after a difficult time in prison. Despite facing significant challenges, including the grief of losing Scotty and the confusion about her relationship with her doctor, Diem, Kenna showed resilience and strong determination to live a better life. I am also impressed by Ruth Guinness. She, the apartment owner, will give Kenna his kitten as companion. These gestures show that even though Kenna may feel alone and downcast, there are still people who care and are willing to help her talk this talk time. Chapter 1 Kenna, I feel that this story read a message of resilience, determination, and this importance of support from people around us when facing life trials. I am interested to see how Kenna will overcome the challenges she faces and how she will achieve her goal of resignation with her doctor. Week 7, I'm reading chapter 2 and chapter 3. The content chapter 2. Ledger, a man who has a habit of giving coffee mug to his friend, Roman, who is in the process of recovering from alcoholism, encountered his exhausted parents at the bar where he works. His parents show up ignorant and cause a disturbance with the jukebox. Edgar kicked them out and then meet an intriguing woman at the bar. The content chapter 3 tells the story of a woman named Kenna who returned to the city after being away for a long time. She feels lost, especially after Scott's departure. Kenna visits places in the city that she used to frequent with Scotty, like a bookstore that has now turned into a bar. My opinion, chapter 2. Like Sam to have a complicated relationship with his parents, especially with his father drinking habits. Despite this, he still respects them. The presence of the mysterious woman at the bar seemed to cause his attention, indication indicating a strong interest in the strikers. My opinion, chapter 3. This story vividly depicts the checks and loneliness experienced by Kenna after Scotty's departure. It teaches the importance of appreciating small moments of happiness in difficult times and how such experiences can give you the strength to move forward. Thank you for watching my video review book Remainder of Him, a novel color novel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.